Hello everyone, we're going to talk about the FHA loan contingency clause that might be in your sales contract. I want to explain what it is and why it's different than conventional. So for FHA, if you're buying a home with an FHA loan, the contract will have a sales contingency that says that the contract can be terminated due to a low appraisal or if the seller does not agree to make the repairs identified during the inspection. And it is for this reason why many realtors coach their sellers, or sellers just on their own choose to not accept offers from buyers who are coming to the table to purchase the house with an FHA loan, because they do not want to be responsible for the repairs and or are concerned also that the home may not appraise for the sales price that you've agreed to. So according to the amendatory clause in the contract, the buyer can choose to walk away from the deal and get their earnest money back if the property does not appraise for at least the selling price. So that's different than for conventional loans. Also, according to the repair clause, if repairs are needed and the buyer and the seller can't come to an agreement and they can't get the repairs fixed, either by the seller making the repairs before the loan closes or the buyer turning the FHA loan into an FHA 203K rehab loan where the repairs can be done after closing, then the contract is canceled, and where the buyer can choose to cancel the contract and they get their earnest money back. And in both situations, they would get their earnest money back if the home doesn't appraise or if they can't come to an agreement on the repairs. Also, the buyer, to protect, in this case, to protect the seller, if the buyer comes into the deal with a conventional loan as the type of financing they're planning to use, they cannot switch to an FHA after the initial contract was signed unless the seller agrees. One other thing about conventional loans: if the ability to get a loan and appraisal contingency have both expired, then the buyer could actually lose the earnest money if they back out of the deal. So if you have any questions, please let us know. If you need to get pre-approved for an FHA loan or a conventional loan, please just follow the link down in the first pinned comment and in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. We will see you again next time.